This is Axel. If you're new here, my name is Ruben. I basically travel to hang out with my subscribers, talk to people, and film it to show you that you can talk to anyone.
So, habla español o inglés?
Sí, español.
So, how's your day going? And I thought you were very beautiful. Do you prefer Indiana or Miami?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
So how was today?
Pretty good. My name is Axel and I'm 22 years old and I'm a high school security. I want to talk to people and
It's okay, take your time.
okay.
No worries, this is battery.
I always wanted to like be better with women and as you can tell I have a speech disability and it makes it hard like difficulties to talk to people. Like in my mind I think I'm bothering them and like they probably think it's real. Where's this real guy you talking to me for, you know? Really excited about like trying to pass my limit, you know?
Okay. Any last words before we start?
No.
Okay.
Oh, hello. I thought you were really beautiful and wanted to come up and say. So what are you up to today?
Sorry.
Huh?
No inglés.
Oh, yo hablo español, yo soy nicaragüense. ¿Y vos? ¿De qué país tú eres?
Colombia.
O Colombia, yo tengo familia que Colombia. Yo no soy Colombia, pero...
So I think you're going too fast.
Okay.
You should like slow down. First, catch her attention. Hey,
Yeah.
hello, excuse me. Then the person should like look at you in your eyes. Then you should tell them, but you were like, hey, excuse me, I just think you're very beautiful.
Yeah.
It's too fast. Just like slow down.
Okay.
And the second thing is, I think you said something like, oh, I just want to let you know you're very beautiful.
Yeah.
You're not here to deliver a message. It seems like you're like coming with like a platter, like, hey, I just wanted to like bring you this chocolate,
Yeah.
No, like, you're trying
no.
to have a conversation with this person.
Oh, hi. I thought you were really beautiful and wanted to come up and say hi.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, so you're from Miami or
No, I'm not from here.
where are you from?
I'm from Indiana.
Oh, nice. How is it though? Like, yeah, I always wanted to go. How is it though? Like, is it like hot or?
Why do you think
Cool.
they swam?
Oh, you prefer Miami? Do you prefer Indiana or Miami?
It depends.
Like right now, do you prefer Indiana or like you?
I just really depends.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So you like right now you're in the mood for like Miami or like Indiana? If they like somebody tells you
Indiana.
Indiana? Oh yeah. Would you like to keep in touch like whenever you're in Miami?
Oh wait, hold on. I got a phone call.
Okay. Alright, bye. Have a nice day. Yeah, it went pretty good, like better than like the last time.
You asked her about, Indiana, Miami.
Yeah.
This has nothing to do with right now. You could have asked her where is she going.
Yeah.
Why she's not going to the beach. Like use the present moment.
Okay.
Miami versus Indiana has nothing to do with right now. It's like, does that make sense?
Yeah, it
like
makes
it's a very
sense, yeah.
random conversation to have.
Yeah.
So try to be more present and to talk more about like what's going on right now.
Oh hi. I thought you were really beautiful and okay. Have a nice day.
What do you think went off?
Yeah, I think like it didn't eye contact like a lot. Yeah.
I think that just the way you say hi.
Yeah.
Imagine if like she had dropped her phone on the floor and she kept walking.
Yeah.
Excuse me. Hey, excuse me.
Yeah.
It seems like you don't really believe what you're doing.
Okay.
It doesn't even seem you were talking to her.
Oh yeah. Oh hi, excuse me. I thought you were really beautiful and wanted to come up and say hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Yeah, thank you.
What are you guys up to today?
We have no idea.
Oh, you don't know?
No.
Yeah, are you guys sisters or like friends?
we're
Oh no, yeah, friends, yeah. You're from Miami, Miami?
Today. How are you?
Oh yeah, pretty good, yeah. Just walking with a friend and
Yeah. Just shopping and stuff. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Are you going out tonight or anything?
Huh?
You going out tonight?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you?
We don't know. We might not. Yeah.
How long are you here for?
We're here until Tuesday.
Oh, Tuesday?
Yeah.
Have you been in like out like recently, like to clubs or stuff?
Yeah, we went to yesterday. Yeah, we went to Story last
Oh,
night.
Story, yeah, Story's nice.
Yeah.
You want to grab coffee sometime or?
We're not gonna be here long because since we're just visiting.
Oh yeah. Oh, you
Yeah.
want to go like out clubbing with like
Yeah, why don't you give me your Snapchat or something?
I don't have a Snapchat. Can I text you or no?
Oh, sure.
Oh yeah. Wait.
Yeah, you live in Miami, or I mean, you're in Miami the whole time?
No. Yeah, I live in Miami. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, and I'm. Yeah, nice to meet you.
Hey, have a nice day.
Yeah.
This was obviously much better than before.
Yeah.
Also, there were 2 girls, so that's cool.
Yeah.
You know, when you asked her the number, you said, "Oh, is it okay or no?"
Okay.
You know what? Don't doubt yourself like that.
Okay.
And did you even tell them your name? I don't even think you told them because they were like, "Oh, my name is this, my name is that," and I don't even think you said your name. You were like too stressed
I
out.
didn't tell you.
So
Yeah,
but
that's it.
it's good. There is progress.
Yeah. Let's just do it like because like even though like I have a speech like disability, like it's still there, like, you know? Like it's like everybody could do it. Excuse me, ¿tú hablas español o inglés?
Sí, español.
Yo te miré y yo pensaba que era muy bonito.
Ay, qué
Eh,
lindo.
¿Y ustedes qué están haciendo hoy?
¿Cómo?
Sí, ¿cómo está tu día? ¿Bien?
Bien, todo bien.
Sí, me gusta tu tatuaje.
Oh, gracias.
Sí. ¿Y qué están haciendo hoy? ¿Solo caminando en el
Fui a la playa y ahora caminando.
Sí.
Y vamos a la casa.
Sí. ¿Tú quieres coger café un día o algo? ¿O
Lo que pasa es que nos vamos hoy día.
sí, hoy te van?
Sí. Pero
Ok.
sí. ¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Axel?
Axi. Ay,
Axel, sí.
Yo me llamo Ania.
Buen día.
Un gusto. Chao.
Sí.
How was that for you?
Yeah, pretty good.
It was better, right?
Yeah, it was better, yeah.
What do you think? What was different?
No, like I didn't ask like what they from. Yeah.
Yeah, it was better. It was better. I agree.
Talk to them and like as they're like already your friends.
Okay.
Yeah, and not like a stranger. Like. Oh, excuse me. You're really beautiful, and I wanted to come up and say hi.
Thank you.
Do you mind if I sit down?
Sure.
Hi. Hey. So how's your day going?
I'm in a phone call, sorry.
Oh, you're in the
Yeah.
phone call? Oh, yeah. Okay, have a nice day. So like I messed up. Like not ask if I could sit down and like feel more like, you know, like as a friend instead of like cautious, you know?
Yeah. Do you have anything to tell people who are watching?
Let's just do it and subscribe to Ruben. He's pretty good. Not amazing. With emotion. and subscribe.
Any last words?
Oh no, subscribe.
Subscribe. Okay, good.
He's amazing.